up, yeah. Free up, yeah. Balenciaga from instructor. Good them car bush get lit up, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Fiesta, forever. Party, whenever. When we're together, yeah. Coming from the West Indies, and you know I say we giving them the best indeed. Anywhere we there, we do a flex man street, and the style what we do no matter red stampede. And I interview nobody question me, and you try never look in my direction. G, new bank crab and a that's one beat. Oh, coming from the second beat, yeah. I wanna just party. I wanna just party. Yeah, party.
So guys, look at this beauty babe carried me to. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like, it's just gorgeous. This is a river. This is a river. Like, this look like, you know them picture there where you see if only fish never in our water, people, I'm gone in there. But y'all know I don't like fish. Sorry, I like them in my belly, but not anywhere else. So yeah, them in there. See them all boats. Them in them on. Enough. Also little turbid, but you know, still. I'll put you guys down. So y'all can see. Actually, hold on. Cause I'm an island girl, living in an island world. I love my island life, that's why I'm an island wife. Lyrics. I'll be back because babe left me and I don't know where he's gone and I don't really know where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be back.
Free food them a people. But not today, it's not because you're there to turn a banana. Make sure you have everything. Everything you put in your bag. Remember the whole lamp on the white one at the bridge. That white one. You can go like this.
Bathing at the river. Yo, I can smell that. quick bathe, took some pictures, and yeah, I'm gonna go home and take a nap. Want to go to Negril tonight for like dinner or something. I was asking another I was asking an influencer, I guess basically I can call her that I follow. Her name is Janelle. She always comes down. She's also in a long distance relationship, and she always comes to Jamaica, and she mostly stays in Negril, Westmoreland area. So I was asking her for some recommendations, and there's this one place that, ooh, it just looks super beautiful. So I made reservations. So let's see if we are able to eat there tonight. And then that will be it. And then we're going up to Portmore tomorrow. So I'll be home, and I'll be closer to Kingston where my good friend is staying. So yeah, I'm excited for the rest of the trip. My mom leaves soon. I don't think I'm gonna be able to see her, unfortunately. She's not answering, and yeah, I can't be bothered. But there's stuff there that I need to get, so I kind of do need to see her, or at least get my things. So yeah, we'll see. But that's really it for right now. Baby just went to go check and see if the car is still where it needs to be. And then yeah, I'll go home, and then, as I said, take a nap and then get ready for tonight. So catch you guys when I catch you guys. Pause. I didn't even tell you guys that we were coming to the river. So I'm recording this after everything, but yeah, guys, we're coming to the river. We're going to the river to go walla bathe and just walla vibe. And yeah, insert river clip here. I'm doing a horrible vlogging job this trip, but hopefully when I go back up to Portmore, or hopefully when I go to Portmore, I should say, it'll be a little bit better because I'll be home and stuff like that. Like, I don't know, right now we're just like with like family and stuff, and I'm not sure if everyone's comfortable with being on the camera and everything like that. And Joel hasn't really seen his family in a while, so we're just, you know, and we haven't seen each other in a while either. So yeah, I just catch what I catch, and hope you guys are enjoying. tell me to take off the mask.
No, that's good, my internet. That's everything.
Anyways, guys, we're at Rockhouse in the grill, Westmoreland. I'm so nervous about walking in heels right now.
Yeah, hold on. Go here, use more often if you can hold on to me.
No, because you guys know it's been a while, but here we are. Okay, I'll be back. Yo, it's beautiful in here. I know, but it's okay. Hello, good evening. So, do you have a dinner reservation? Yes.
It was 5:30.
Zoe Brown? Yes. This is pretty. Okay. Sorry. Guys, the place is nice, you know? Nice and pretty. It's so pretty. So this is where we are. Rockhouse. Ow. This is what I be looking like.
Don't expose the property.
This is what I'm looking like. This and the birds is not gonna work for me, but so pretty. Oh my god. The view, guys, is everything. Like legit. I wish we got here like literally 10 minutes earlier. You would have seen the sunset. But you guys seen it a little bit in the drive up, so yeah. But I'm gonna look and see what I want to get to eat, or what we are gonna get to eat, and then we'll come back and talk a little bit more, show you guys the food and everything, so we can let you guys know if this is a restaurant to visit.
A spot.
Okay. Anyways, guys, we got complimentary soup and buns for appetizers on the house. Clink, 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 clink. Clink everything. Yes, it's a celebration every time we link up.
Rockhouse.
And there's like cocoa bread buns, and they're warm. Getting kind of dark, guys. I brought my light, but I kind of don't want to bring it out just yet. But it's nice. It's just nice. The sound, everything just nice. Yeah, the ambient, everything nice. My husband nice. Me nice.
What's nice, you know? Why it's beautiful and lovely. Hey, babe, stop. Eat it up.
Okay, bye, guys. I gotta listen to my dad.
That's it, get so Americanized. Let's come here.
Hold on. I want to turn on my light, but the light bright.
We're not busy with my light, yes. People are gonna love it. You know, but we can dim it little.
I'm gonna dim it.
Most of that.
Please.
That's it, most of that. Bright in the place, man. I'm there and I tell you what this going on, look at this. Where the food comes, that's the goal.
So guys, got our dinner. This is my seafood linguine. There's supposed to be, okay, yeah, there's a shrimp. Oh, wait, shrimp, and snapper. Babe got some mix up vegetable. I want to try this.
Yeah, but try.
Rice and peas and fried tofu in like a ginger sauce. So, bon appetit! I'm excited. So guys, we are heading out now. Oh, sorry. Well, leave. No, going home. It was a vibe. I'll talk about it a little bit more before when we get inside the house, cause yo, your girl, itis. But yeah, it was a vibe, and I hope I don't drop because I can't really see where I'm going, and I'm in hills. And all he cares about is pictures. So I'll be back, guys. Hopefully I don't drop. Hopefully I don't drop.
Yeah,